Tensions reached a breaking point in Minneapolis on Thursday, just a day after the fatal shooting of a woman by an ICE officer.
Show your faces! Show your face!
Officers scuffled with protesters and used tear gas to disperse the crowd. Earlier at a vigil, mourners grieved the loss of 37-year-old Renee Good, a mother of 3. Federal officials claim that Good was attempting to run over an ICE agent with her car, but video footage taken by witnesses from multiple angles appears to show Good turning away from the officer and that he was not in her path. Nevertheless, for a second day, Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem accused Good of being a domestic terrorist.
I would say that when these individuals use their vehicles to try to ram our law enforcement and to put their lives in jeopardy, that law enforcement officer has to make a decision to protect his life and the individuals around him as well.
The comments drew outrage from Democrats on Capitol Hill.
Kristi Noem, who's a stone-cold liar. There's no evidence at all that this was a justified shooting.
Vice President JD Vance defended the officer's actions and cast blame on the media.
That very ICE officer nearly had his life ended, dragged by a car 6 months ago, 33 stitches in his leg. So you think maybe he's a little bit sensitive about somebody ramming him with an automobile?
Democrats are calling for a thorough investigation into the shooting, but following word from Minnesota investigators that they couldn't access evidence in the case because the FBI was unwilling to cooperate, Governor Tim Walz said he wasn't hopeful there could be a fair outcome. As protests continue, schools in Minnesota have canceled classes through Friday because of the unrest.